TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Tuesday morning, 30 minutes to go until that opening bell. And we got markets in positive territory to kick things off yet again. S&P's right now up about 30 points on the dot, trading above 3,400, 3,402 right now. Got the NASDAQ futures up 135, 11,402. The Dow positive 230 points right now, trading 28,101. And the Russell up almost a full percent, trading up 14 points at 1547. We have crude positive as well, up 30 cents at 37.56. Actually made it above $38 briefly this morning. Gold contract up about $12 at 19.75. Looking at notes and bonds, a little bit of lower price and higher yield. The 10-year backing off a bit, off about 4 ticks at 139.14. You got the 30-year off 13 ticks right now, trading at 176.09. We'll start things off with the VIX. 25.11 as this market just continues higher. The VIX pulling back from last week's 35.93, currently trading at 25.11, actually dipped to as low as 24.92. Pretty remarkable, folks. We're only 49 days from the presidential election, and this volatility index backing off, continuing. Jumping around to stocks with action this morning, NVIDIA. They were in the news yesterday, of course, buying ARM Holdings from SoftBank, charging higher on that merger news, up to $532 for the high. Closed yesterday at $514.89. They get an upgrade with a price target of $700 on the street. You're currently up from $514, trading at $530.23 this morning. Lennar, they had their earnings last night. Good earnings, but trading a little bit lower. They beat on earnings. They beat on revenue. Nonetheless, not quite living up to the street's expectation. You're trading down about $2.40 right now to $76.70 from $79. After the bell tonight, we get FedEx earnings. FedEx basically flat right now from yesterday's close, trading at $236.98. I talked about it on my show. Quite the volatility priced in. You're looking at a $21 move on their earnings tonight. We also get Adobe with their numbers. Talk about volatility. How about a $31.76 move on Adobe? And this morning, Adobe trading from about $485 to $493.01. What else you got happening today? The first day of Walmart Plus, their service competing with Amazon Prime. Walmart from $137.32 up to $138.42. And Apple, big day for Apple on their event, and the market liking it already, from $115.35 up to $118.41. But keeping in mind, folks, the NASDAQ 100 up about 1.2% as well. Stay tuned, folks. We got a replay coming up this hour, but I'll be back at 10 o'clock live with Tom and live programming after that all day at TFNN. We'll be